Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to quickly and easily apply the same effect to multiple clips in your timeline using an adjustment layer. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to right-click in the project panel, scroll to New Item, and then select Adjustment Layer. And that's it. Thank you for watching. So yes, select Adjustment Layer. Now a window will pop up confirming your project settings. You can click OK, and then an adjustment layer will appear in your project panel. So now I can simply drag this layer over top of my two clips in my timeline. The first thing I'd like to do is apply a crop to create a letterbox effect over these two clips. So I'll go over to the Effects tab here and search Crop. Then I'll drag the effect onto the adjustment layer. Now, over in the Effects Control panel, I can see the crop effect has been applied, and I can adjust these parameters to create the letterbox. Now, these clips also look a little dull to me, so I think I'd like to increase the color saturation. Instead of applying a color correction to each clip individually, I can simply select the adjustment layer, go over to the Lumetri Color tab, and adjust the saturation for both clips. So let's bring this up a bit. Great. Now the adjustment layer has both the letterbox crop and the color correction for both clips. And if I were to toggle the eye icon here to turn off the adjustment layer, you can see the difference between the original clips and the effects that have been added to the adjustment layer. So yeah, adjustment layers are just a simple way to add the same effect across multiple clips in your timeline. I hope this video was somewhat helpful, and thanks for watching.